Namely my mother. My mother's name is Susi Dahyanti. She is already 46 years old. My mother is a housewife. Our residential address is in Serampa City. My mother hobby are cooking and singing. My mother is of Javanese descent. That is all and thank you. See you. Bye bye.